So, whether or not you can tell by my face or not right now, I'm super excited. These things have been sat in the office for over 3 months now, so I do want to go ahead and apologize for not looking at these sooner. This is the Key Light from Elgato. It's a brand new product aimed at people that need to use cameras, and to use cameras, well, you need light. Let's get straight into this. So all of you guys know Elgato, right? They started out making products for streamers. They have products like the HD60 Pro, and then they went to the HD60 4K, which allowed streamers to stream in, well, 4K. They then make a product as well called the Cam Link, which allows you to use a big professional camera like this one, or this one, plug it into your computer and use it as a webcam for streaming. They also make a retractable green screen, again, for streaming. And well, the last piece of the puzzle was the Key Light, something to light up your face whilst the camera is looking at you. Now, because this is an Elgato product, it ties in with the whole Elgato ecosystem, so even the Elgato Stream Deck, which I missed off from my list earlier, and we'll get onto how this all works and ties together a little bit later. But I thought about this and I thought, I'm not going to do a review of these, because at the end of the day, they're just lights. I'm going to set them up and see how easy it is and give you guys my initial thoughts. Now, as you guys can see, Elgato have sent out 2 of these, so what we'll go ahead and do is just place one off for the side and focus on one of them for now. So flipping over the box, it will give you guys more of an idea of how these things can be used. So as you can see, we've got our gamer here. He's got his Corsair headset on and he's, well, streaming some games. He's got his camera there, which is probably connected to the Elgato Cam Link, and he's got the 2 stream lights there, lighting up his face. Lovely there for the camera. So let's get straight in the box. They're literally just lights. So as you guys can see here, there is the control center. Now this is a little program that actually is there to control the light. So if you don't have a Stream Deck and you don't want to tie buttons to the Stream Deck or certain macros to the Stream Deck, you can just use the controller. The lights are Wi-Fi certified, so there is also a mobile app to go along with these as well. So multi-purpose here. You don't have to use them for streaming. They could just be set lights and you could control them with your phone. Both Mac and PC compatible. One thing to note though, it does say up here 2.4 gigahertz wireless networks only. I don't think there's many people out there that just have 5 gigahertz running in their house, so you guys should be okay. Okay, so a huge instruction manual right on the top as a massive piece of cardboard, which is quite good because I assume that if they just used a little pamphlet, I know I would, don't kid yourself, you'd probably just throw it away. And yes, this is just a light, but it is quite a complex product, and I can assume that it has some sort of nifty setup behind it, which you will need to follow along here. So we won't be throwing this away. Set it off to one side. So this is our Key Light, and wow, this feels really premium. That's metal. Now I'll put direct links, guys, to the stream lights down in the description below. However, I do want to go ahead and say that these things aren't cheap compared to lights that you can buy, right? So I've bought some lights, I think from a company called Newer, and I think they were like £40 a piece, but to be perfectly honest with you guys, they were absolutely goddamn awful. So I'm super happy these things have arrived. So here's our light, we'll run over this right now. It looks like the diameter of this looks like about 15 inches. We've got a metal ring running around the outside, and then obviously here is plastic for the light to penetrate through. Flipping this bad boy over, we've got this awesome texture on the back of the unit. We've got Key Light here, and then on the bottom we have an on-off reset button, and it looks like they're a 13 volt and 4 amp power socket. I love the design on the back of this. This is awesome. So it looks like here, this is our stand. This thing can go up to 49 inches, so it's fairly long. And then right at this end, you have a table clamp mount, which is big enough for, looks like about a 2.5 inch desk. Most desks aren't gonna be any thicker than that, are they really? So let's just get this clamped onto the desk for, well, demonstrational purposes only. And one thing I'd like to note is this pole is proper solid. And nice rubber grommets here to extend and retract the build quality, A star. And now I assume we just screw the light into the top of the unit, and then there we go. We've got full pan, tilt, swivel, anything you want, and then you can just lock it into place, and off you go. Beautiful. Okay, I assume we're gonna need some power for this thing, so I'm hoping that in here, yes, this is our power brick. We have power adapters for, well, wherever you are in the world, and I am gonna use the UK one. Plug me in and turn me on, baby. Okay, she's plugged in and on. That is really bright. Okay, so now back to our instructions, and I think we're gonna need a mobile device to set this up. Now, to be honest with you guys, I haven't even read the instructions and I've got this thing set up, which pretty much tells you that it's pretty easy. So it looks like you need a wireless-enabled computer to set these bad boys up, because right here, if it says, if your Windows PC is not equipped with Wi-Fi, use an iOS device to add the key light to your network. So here we are, iOS device. Download and install the Control Center app. Here we are, Elgato Control Center. Switch on your key light. It will take approximately 15 seconds to boot up. Well, you guys are just gonna have to be blinded for a quick second. Okay, so the app has now downloaded. I'm gonna go ahead and click the open button right here, and now I have no idea what's happening. Okay, so it says no accessories found. So it says make sure the accessory is connected to power, and then what you need to do is go into the settings on your iOS device and connect this device to Wi-Fi. So if we open our settings, we should see this pop up as a device, hopefully. And there it is, set up new device, Elgato Key Light 36E3. And I'm gonna call it Elgato Key Light 1. And now I need to type in the password for my Wi-Fi and click OK. Okay, so now we just wait for it to join the Wi-Fi. Cool. And there we go, this accessory joined smart, which is my wireless network for all of my smart devices. I'll go ahead and click done right now, and then we should launch back into the Control Center app. And there it is, it just works. It just does what it says on the tin. Like, that's crazy bright. And then you've obviously got the added benefit of being able to control the color temperature of the light. So if you want it warmer, then you can go ahead and have it really, really warm, or really, really cool. Right, what I say we go ahead and do is go ahead and kill the lights on the TechFlow set. Okay, so with the power of my mobile phone, the light is now here. My big studio lights are off, and these are two big softboxes that usually light me up being replaced with one single Elgato key light to demonstrate this for you lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light on to its lowest setting right now. There we go, and then I'm slowly going to increase the brightness via my phone. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, there we go. 10%, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, that thing is now very bright. 60, 70, 80, 90, that's 100. That is so bright. Like, that is absolutely mental. I bet I'm really overexposed now. I bet it only needs to be like that for me to look good. About 57%. And then if I wanted to, I could change the color temperature, have me look a little bit warmer, a little bit cooler again, a little bit warmer. There's no saying in it that these are just the best lights that you can buy if you want simple control right from your phone. And just for the hell of it, I'm gonna download the app on the PC too. In fact, it's not a PC, it's a Mac. It's all I've got here this evening. Elgato Key Light. Downloads. Control Center, download. There it goes in 5 seconds, and it's done. Drag that over to there. Now, because we've already set the lights up and it's already a part of the network, I'm assuming this is gonna be a really simple process. As soon as we open this app, the Elgato Control Center, the light should appear straight away. And we should find out now. So as you guys can see, the software has now put this lovely little Elgato logo in the taskbar of my Mac. So if I click on that, there we go. Elgato Key Light Ron, turn it off, there it goes. Turn it on, there it goes. I mean, there's nothing else to say. It's a really simple product that seems to work really well. Some other things to note is if you have 2 of these, you can either, well, control them individually or have them both be exactly the same. So if you've got one that side and one that side, perfect. They can be in total sync, or you could have one of them really cool and one of them really warm. Totally up to you. But other than that, that's it. Put it this way, if you want a no-compromise solution to get some light into your videos or for whatever you're doing, even for product shots, and you want it really simple, you want to be able to clamp it to your desk, you want to have it set up in minutes, just no compromise whatsoever, good build quality, you want it to last a long time, yeah, these things are expensive. I'm going to stand here and say that, but they will get the job done. And that is a first look if I've ever seen one before. Mine has been Alex. This has been the Elgato Key Light, and I'll definitely be using these somewhere. Not sure where, but somewhere, because these are cool. Adios. Guys, if you want to check out some other quick looks, we've got 2 other videos there, and if you guys aren't subscribed to TechFlow and you want to, then that button is to the left-hand side. We'd really appreciate it.